Karnataka Board shrinks school syllabus by 30%. No waxing for loss of education. Sisodia to parents and teachers. Maharashtra government reduces syllabus for class 10 and 12 state board by 25% for this academic year. Private schools in Gujarat to resume online classes from Monday. Maharashtra government launches 4 YouTube channels for school students. Education advisor urges Karnataka MLAs to adopt government schools. Millions of students risk falling through gaps as schools go online. School syllabus to be cut by 20% to 40%. Prime Minister Modi interacts with students who cleared board exams on Mann Ki Baat. Centre raises concern on Punjab's testing of midday meals. Only 6 samples taken last year. Good evening and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Charmi reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the syllabus for state board schools has been revised and reduced by 30% in the view of academic year being shortened by the pandemic. The new syllabus will be uploaded on the website of Karnataka Textbook Society by Monday. The revised syllabus has been sent to the Department of Public Instruction and the Education Minister and has received the approval, said Madhi Gowda, Managing Director of KTPS. Delhi Chief Minister Manish Sisodia interacted with parents and teachers of 2 Delhi government schools on Saturday for feedback on what he termed the semi-online mode of education currently in place. He said other losses caused by the lockdown will be compensated, but loss of education is irreparable, which is why classes with the support of technology are the need of the hour. Due to the ongoing pandemic, the Maharashtra government has reduced the syllabus of class 10 and class 12 state board by 25% of this academic year. In spite of the nationwide crisis owing the COVID-19 for the year 2020 to 2021, we started the academic year from 15 June. In spite of closure of schools, we have tried to keep open the education system various methods, Minister of School Education Varsha Gaikwad said. Following the suspension of online classes by self-financed and grant-in-aid schools in Gujarat on July 23 for 3 days, the school have announced the classes resumption from Monday onwards. The online classes were suspended after schools had protested the state governments and government resolution date July 16 but made public on July 22. That directed schools to not charge fees for online classes until the physical reopening of schools. The channel will teach in Marathi and Urdu and will later expand to teach in Hindi and English as well, the School Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad said. The Maharashtra State Council for Educational Research has launched 4 YouTube channels targeting Marathi and Urdu medium students up to class 10. School Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad informed. The channels will teach in Marathi and Urdu and will later expand to teach in Hindi and English as well, the Education Minister said. A letter has been submitted to Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa to enforce a legislation wherein all 224 MLAs of the state adopt 3 government schools each in their respective constituencies. Karnataka has about 54,000 government primary schools which are in need of a facelift. Professor M.R. Duraisamy, advisor to the state government on education reforms, had written to the CM recently, following which Magadhi MLA A. Manjunath adopted 3 schools. The coronavirus has pushed schools all over the world to go online as new waves of infection keeps emerging in India, a country where the gaps in access to education and the internet were already vast. Poor families are struggling to stay the course. Sherin Riyaz Shah, 15, attends a small private school in Mumbai. There is one smartphone between her and her 4 siblings, over which they sit through Zoom lessons and submit homework via WhatsApp. Keeping in view the loss in classroom teaching time due to COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown, a major reduction in the state board syllabus amounting to about 20% to even 40% is expected from primary, secondary and high secondary students. At a meeting of Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board officials at Gandhinagar on Thursday, 3 different scenarios for reopening of schools were considered. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday interacted with students who have performed well in the board exams this year. Prime Minister Modi was addressing the nation through the radio program Mann Ki Baat. The address is telecast on the last Sunday of every month. If we look at the change, our nation is going with a positive mindset. We will be amazed to see how fast our country is changing. There was a time when only those coming from the re-owned school or college, eminent families living in big cities used to achieve success in sports and other sectors. But now, youth from villages, small towns and ordinary families are also coming forward. Something similar is evident in this year's board exam results. Students from small town villages and moving ahead, keeping their dreams alive. Despite difficulties, the Prime Minister said. Patiala, the Union Ministry of Human Resource Development, has asked Punjab to work to ensure the quality of midday meals it provides after the State Education Department admits that only 6 samples of these meals were taken for laboratory testing in academic session 2019-2020. Over 14 lakh children in both primary and upper primary schools are covered under the MDM scheme in the state. It is also learnt even these 6 samples were taken from the just 3 districts of the state, with no testing from the rest of the 19 districts. Now, the MHRD has also directed the Education Department to carry out a social audit of the scheme in all districts. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.dnn.com. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Jahnavi.